The pandemic succeeded in driving developments such as digitization, remote working, and virtualization. It showed us instead of waiting for something to be measured and analyzed, digital systems should be deployed to replace conventional measurement with instrumentation, allowing the business to respond to changing conditions in near real time. Unilever is a company that embraces technology, and it is high time to automate and increase efficiency within the organization to create a better decision-making framework for the future. The vision is to create a one data hub that corresponds to each function of Unilever in order to bring in more efficiency and effectiveness. This is where Botution comes in. By using artificial intelligence and machine learning, Botution will be able to transform work and increase employee productivity, improve customer service, and provide accurate and consistent outcomes. Though the vision is to incorporate data automation and analysis within the organization, I believe we need to start from market and sales, because the most raw data input comes from here. Overall organizational performance depends on the bottom line, and market trends directly affect the data of this department first. That will help to understand trends. The idea is to integrate the robotic process automation with the current sales automation process within marketing and sales to achieve aforementioned objectives. If we look at a draft, this is how a basic framework should look like. If we look at the existing scenario of Salesforce in the industry, sales representatives use SAP to receive orders from retailers that are printed and delivered manually by a delivery team. Targets are set from managers that are distributed in sales team and experience-based decision-making strategy. Now with Botution, the future will have significant impact on each sphere of Salesforce. An automated process of maintaining product distribution data. Targets are set based on predictive modeling and performance tracking, and data-driven decision-making strategy. Identify right opportunities for automation, redesign processes to reap maximum benefits from execution, and follow in-depth assessments to finalize a pipeline for automation. In this phase, an automation solution is devised and developed. Further, the solution is deployed on the production environment. This phase determines how well an organization realizes the benefits mentioned in the business case and plan further steps for the automation program. Here is the RPA-based product lifecycle of Botution, divided into 6 main stages that corresponds to each level of the methodology framework. Now, with opportunities comes challenges. Challenges like more business involvements require more stakeholders to align, managing with less process specs and more prototypes calls for a more straightforward approach, and ever faster changing business models requires more documentation. Botution will let software robots take away the boring and repetitive tasks from the key business pressures of Unilever. As many as 80% standard rules-based processes can be automated using Botution, enabling increasing workloads without increasing headcount. Botution will free up to 30% of an employee's time that can be directed to more strategic activities. Processes that used to take 2 days. By 2025, the global market of RPA is expected to reach $3.97 billion. Between now and then, it will expand at a compound annual growth rate of 31.1%. Botution is well suited for data filling, data capture, operation, and processing tasks, 65% of HR-specific process. In F&A processes, Botution reduces costs, improves efficiency, accuracy, and delivers significantly faster cycle times at more than 50% cost reduction. Ultimately, Botution will eventually escalate Unilever from their dependence on the strategies and capabilities of conventional models. Thank you.